An electric iron is a common household appliances in our daily life. An electric iron convert electrical energy into heat energy. In this video, I will explain the working of an electric iron. Inside parts of electric iron are heating element, thermostat, thermal fuse, and neon bulb. The heating element is the heart of an electric iron. The heating element coils are generally made by the nichrome material. It has high resistance, and it can sustain in high temperatures. If you connect an AC supply directly to the coil, it will start getting heat. The magnesium oxide powder is used to insulate this coil from the metal case. When the current flows through a heating element coil continuously, the temperature of the coil will become uncontrollable. Here is the importance of a thermostat. The thermostat is used to sense the base plate temperature and switch off the current flow to the heating element coil. Thermostat has input terminal, output terminal, contact spring, and a bimetallic strip. The bimetallic strip consists of two strips of different metals, which expand at different rates as they are heated. It is used to sense the temperature of the electric iron. When the base plate temperature increases, the bimetallic strip bends and pushes up the contact spring. Because of this pushing force and spring tension, contact points disconnect and stop the current flow. When base plate temperature decreases, the bimetallic strip comes back to its normal position and contact points connect again for current flow. Phase line connected to input's terminal of the thermostat, and the neutral line connected to the first terminal of the heating element. Thermal fuse connected between the output terminal of the thermostat and the second terminal of the heating element. Neon bulb connected to both ends of the heating element, and earth line connected to the body of electric iron. When you switch on the electric iron while the control knob is in a high position, current flow to the coil through the thermostat without any interruption. When the coil temperature reaches above 200 degrees Celsius, the thermostat contact points disconnect and stop the current flow. When the temperature reaches below 150 degrees Celsius, contact points connect again and current flow to the coil. When you rotate the knob to low temperature, knob press down the spring and make changes in spring tension and disconnects the contact points early than before. So iron box temperature doesn't go higher than that particular temperature and keep the iron box of a low temperature. The thermal fuse is used to protect the coil and avoid a firing. When the thermostat fails and overheats the iron box, thermal fuse blow out and stop the current flow to coil. Hope you understand the working of an electric iron and its internal parts. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.